So you see a stock move from lower 40s to higher 70s, touching 80, which is almost a 75% gain. And you decide it's time to sell. Sure, this is a good gain. But selling right here, with the RSI looking like this, is a rookie mistake. I would say stop making this selling mistake. This is the absolute wrong time to sell. Here's why. It's a simple reason. You see where the RSI is trading right there? This is one of my minimum requirements, and I've discussed this minimum requirements over 20 years. It is this requirement that once the RSI moves above 69.1, it behaves totally different. And forget about the textbooks that tell you that anything above 70 is overbought. This is absolutely, completely wrong. As I said, one of my minimum requirements over 20 years in the market, full time, is the RSI moving above this threshold of RSI 69.1. And if you are new to this number, there are going to be links in the description linking you back to other YouTube videos where I explain this. But the RSI above 69.1 is one of the most powerful minimum requirements. And it is absolutely the wrong time to sell. Here, when you have the RSI doing this, this is a perfect entry, actually. And if you understand that, you get to see what happens later. Now you can see if you sold right here, which was the prior chart, you are selling right there. And you would have missed this massive run-up from the 80s to as much as potentially even close to 280 if you take the highs of 2020. So this is absolutely one of the minimum requirements to buy, not to sell. Links are going to be in the description back to other YouTube videos where I go into details about similar concepts. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love light of the one infinite creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator, Adonai.